Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Mecha Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin towards the top and we're going to draw the eyes. So right here at the top of the paper, I'm going to draw a small oval shape like this, and then right next to it, I'm going to put another small oval shape. Then, on each side of those ovals, I'm going to draw two lines. Then right across, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then up like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves up. It's going to go down, up, and then it's going to curve back down like this, kind of like a little M shape. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve across. It's going to go up and down for the top of the mouth. And then I'm going to make a line that goes in. It's going to kind of curve down, up, and then go back out like this. Then on top of here, I'm going to color in two circles for the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, straight across, and then it's going to go up for the mouth. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve down like this. Same thing over here. And then it's just going to kind of curve across here. Then I'm going to add a little circle on each side. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve down by the eye. Same thing on this side. Then right here, I'm going to make two lines that go up, and then a little line that's going to go up, over, and then down like this. And then inside of that, I'm going to make a little square shape, and then I'm going to draw a little circle inside of it. Put a little dot right in the center. Then, starting here, I'm just going to make two little lines that go down just to show a little bit of detail on the metal. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out like this, and then another one right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then another one over here that's just going to go down. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve this up towards the mouth. And then same thing right here. I'll just kind of curve it down towards here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm going to do the same thing, go over, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up here. Same thing, go over, and then curve up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw two little lines that go down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve them across. Then right here, I'm going to make two lines that go down. And then just put a nice little curve across here. Then I'm going to draw two more little lines that go down, and then another little curve right here just to connect it. Then for his waist, I'm going to make two little lines that go down. I'm going to curve them both in, leave a little bit of space, and then just draw a little line that goes straight across. Then right on here, you just want to make two lines that go down, two lines that go in, and then two lines that go down again. Now for his legs, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then another one right here. Then I'm just going to repeat that same thing on this side. Draw a little curved line. And then I'm going to make a line that kind of curves. It's going to go over and then up. For the knee, same thing, just kind of curve, go over and then up. Two lines that go down. Two more lines that go down over on this side. Try to keep them the same length. Then I'm just going to make a line that goes up, over, and then down. Same thing, up, over, down. Just kind of curve it when you connect it. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to curve, and then just come right back to here. So again, I'm just going to go out, kind of curve it down, over, and then just kind of bring it up here for the foot. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then comes back, out and then comes back, out and then comes back. Another one, out and then comes back, out, comes back, out, and then comes back for the toes. Now for the arms. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out a little bit, and then it's going to come right down to here. So it's kind of like a triangle shape. Then I'm going to make one that curves a little bit more. Does the same thing, it's just going to kind of come back. A little smaller one right here. And then I'm going to put one more right there. So then same thing over here, just kind of go out and then curve down for that triangle shape. Make a bigger curved one. Smaller one here. And then a real small one right there just for the shoulders. Then right here, you want to make a line that goes, or two lines that go down for the arm. Same thing over here. A little curved line to connect both of them. Then I'm going to make another little curved line like this for the middle part of the arm, or kind of like where the elbow is going to be. And then his arms are really long. They're almost going to go down to his knees. So right here, I'm going to draw two lines that go down. Two lines that go down. A little curved line. A little curved line. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then kind of curves back for the thumb. Out, and then it's going to kind of curve back for the thumb. Another one's going to go down and kind of curve up. Do that a couple more times. Kind of look like little bananas. And then just a little line that connects for the hand. So then same thing here, just going to kind of curve down and then come up. Put one right behind it, and then one more. And then just a little line that kind of curves to connect for the hand. Okay, so now we have our basic drawing of our Mecha Kong, and then all we have to do now is just add a few little details on here. So the first detail up by the head, I'm going to draw a little line here, and then a little line here just to make his neck look a little bit bigger. And then starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve and go around here. Kind of curve and then go right around there. Then right here, I'm just going to make two little lines that go down. Two little lines that go down. Then I'm going to make a little circle on each side here just to kind of make it look like there's some, screws kind of holding him together. I'm going to add an extra little curved line right above the arms here, or the hands. And then just another little line that goes down on each side. I'm going to add a couple little bumps on here just to kind of make it look like there's some more little screws and everything kind of holding everything together. I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes right down the inside part of the leg. Just kind of follows that same outline. Going to add a little line at above and below the knee. We're going to add a little circle on each side, and then just kind of like a little broken line on each side here. Then on the feet, I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines just to show that there are some little sections of metal there. Then I'm also going to add them on the toes as well. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the fingers. I'm going to put 2 little curved lines on each finger. And then I'm just going to add a couple more little bumps in some random little spots, just kind of make it look like his metal's all like welded together. Put a couple up here, a couple around here, just to add a little bit more detail, a little bit of effect. Put some on the legs too. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mechakong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.